Can the law of attraction make us rich? The simple answer is, yes, it can. Well, it's not like a Harry Potter spell, but if you want riches, then the law of attraction could be your answer. Rather than expecting a pile of cash to suddenly appear, it's all about changing how you think and how you act. The gap between people living in poverty and those living in wealth can be narrowed down to one thing: attitude. Someone born into a wealthy family can still be poor if they don't make the right financial decisions. On the other hand, a person with no money at all can become wealthy if they have the right mindset. If you think poverty is your destiny, you'll never notice when opportunities arise. But if you have a millionaire mentality, you'll be able to spot money-making chances everywhere. Have you heard those amazing rags to riches tales? If you believe it can happen to you, it can, because you'll be ready to take full advantage of the opportunities life throws your way. But if you don't, you won't even notice the opportunities or take advantage of the ones that you do. It's a process and you gotta learn it. And it's not just wishing and dreaming, my friend, that's just where it starts.